And when the maintenance tribunal issues such an order to pay maintenance to the parent or senior citizen, it is to be obeyed. And if this order is not obeyed by the children or the relative, it will be executed as fine is executed under the CRPC. And if the another order is to retake the property, and if the maintenance tribunal after inquiry found that the children or relative are not looking after the parent or senior citizen, then the maintenance tribunal can issue an order to cancel the deed of transfer of property by the senior citizen or parent to their children or relative, so that the parent or senior citizen will get back their own property. This is a very great boom to the parent or senior citizen who are thrown out by their own children or relative after taking their own property. So it is the duty of the children or relative to provide maintenance and welfare to the parent or senior citizen. And the maintenance tribunal have the power of a judicial magistrate of first class while executing its order. So it is a boom to the parent or senior citizens. So this fear had created a rethink over the neglect of the parent or senior citizen by some section of the children or relative. So this is a law which is empowering senior citizens. This is a law which gives protection to senior citizens.